Welcome back. We are continuing our practical applications with Autodesk Inventor, and this is exercise number 10. We are designing this modern makeup organizer. This is going to be a very quick one. Essentially, we are looking at shell command to hold it out, and then we're going to use rib command to create these compartments. And to create this texture ribbed pattern, we're going to use sweep command. Yeah, so this is a shell, sweep and rib in one, 3 in 1. It's a good one, but it's also very simple. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Find, select new. We're gonna work in metric. Create. All right, start a 2D sketch on XZ plane. Awesome. Let's go ahead and draw a circle at the origin. The diameter of the circle, we're going to use dynamic inputs. The diameter is going to be 130. And then finish your sketch. Zoom out, press your wheel button and hold. You can move along. If you move your wheel back and forth, you also zoom in and zoom out. So we're going to extrude this. How much we need to extrude it? Let's extrude it by 100 to. Awesome. All right, now we can go ahead and so select this bottom face, start it 2D sketch on it, and then project geometry. Done. All right, finish sketch. All right, so go ahead and under origin, select YZ plane and start a 2D sketch on it. At the bottom, go ahead and find slice graphics, or you can go to view tab and select slice graphics there. It does the same thing. Either use this one or go to view tab. All right, now we need to project geometry here as well. So we're gonna go back to 2D sketch for the geometry, and we need to see, select these first, and then I select this line as well. Okay. All right, now what we need to do, we're gonna draw a circle here. Let's draw a circle, and diameter, let's make it 4. Maybe. Okay, fine. Let's make it 4. And then we're gonna dimension from here to there. We need that distance to be maybe 2. 2 is fine. 2 is gonna work. Alright, 4. Alright. The diameter is 4, the diameter of the circle. Let me go ahead and bring this down here. The diameter is 4. And the distance here is 2. Alright, so this is going to be the profile for our sweep. There's going to be the path, and that's going to be our profile. Let's go ahead and sweep it. So the profile is going to be the circle, and the path, select the path. Go ahead and select this bottom edge here, and click OK. There you go. Now, what we can do, we can pattern this sweep. We're going to use rectangular pattern. Our feature is going to be our sweep, and then our direction, we're going to use y-axis. How many we need to do? Maybe 14, and space between them 6.5. Maybe should do 16. 16 looks good, and 6.5. It's okay. Click OK. Awesome. I told you it was easy. All right. Now, we're going to shell. Remember shell command? We saw shell command in exercise uh, number 9. Let me show you what that one looks like. This was shell command. We use shell command. We also use shell command in exercise number 8. Alright. Now, so remember, select the top, the face you want to hold on, and then launch shell command. Alright, what's the thickness? Let's do the thickness of, I'm gonna do 2. 2 is fine. 2 looks perfect. Click OK. Alright, awesome. Now we're going to go ahead, and we don't want to see this sketch. We can just turn it off. Okay, so from here, what we're going to do, we are almost done. So the next thing we need to do is creating these compartments. Alright, so maybe you can use it, maybe you can put your makeup here, and maybe your brushes, your makeup brush, and this one, or however, whatever you want to use it for. All right, shout out to my outstanding student, Marisha, for getting her work done, for getting her all her work done. All right, Marisha, this is for you. I hope you're gonna enjoy this one as well. All right, keep working hard. Keep working hard. All right, so to create these compartments, we're going to use rib command. Rib command. It is very simple. And where is rib command? It is under rib command is under create panel in 3D mode, 3D tab, under create panel, that is rib. Alright, so like any other commands in Autodesk Inventor, if you're not sure what it does, just hover your mouse around it and it tells you what command does. So alright, so to do this, let's go ahead and select this part and start 2D sketch on it. 2D sketch. Alright, draw a line from here to there. And also, you know what, let me extend it all the way. Alright, let me undo that. Let me undo that. Alright, you know what, I can do better. Let me draw this line again. From here to this point. Okay? Draw another one to this point. Excellent. Now, dimension tool, go dimension tool. Select this line to here. This angle is 120. 120. Now, let's go ahead and apply circular pattern. Select this guy. Axis of rotation is gonna be this guy. How many do we do? Let's do 3. Let's do 3. Excellent. Finish your sketch. Finish your sketch and go ahead and do go ahead and do go ahead all right, go ahead and launch rib command, and the first thing you're gonna do when you launch rib command is select your profile. So this is going to be our profile. You can see it gives us a preview of what's going to make. All right, now what's the thickness? Let's do a thickness of 3, and we're going to select both direction, and then yeah, let's do, if we do direction, that direction 2, direction, select direction 2, And later on, we're gonna look at if you add draft angle, what would that look like? Maybe you add draft angle 5. You can see it's making the bottom a little bit smaller. This is a preview of it's gonna look like. So we don't need draft. But on your exam, they may have say, hey, change your draft angle to this and find maybe find the volume or what's the new mass. You know, you should be able to know. You should be able to do that. Yeah. All right. So go ahead and click, and then we're gonna keep it to next. So that's what it's doing here. Now, do I want? All right. That's what we want. That's what we want. Okay. What else can we do? We can add a fillet of maybe 4. Let's go ahead and add a fillet of 4 and select these internal walls and okay, and also let's fillet this one outside. I'm gonna do a fillet of 1, a fillet of 1, yeah, okay, and why not a fillet of 2. Excuse me. All right, fillet of 2. Okay. Looks like we are done, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and change appearance. Let's go ahead and change appearance to whatever you like. Whatever you like. I had magenta. Why not purple? Why not purple? Alright. Okay. You know what? I like magenta. I feel magenta today. I feel like magenta. I like the way that the one looked. Oh, select everything. Change to magenta. Magenta, where are you? Alright, there you go. Alright, it's more black. Oh, look at that. I missed that one. Alright, okay. Now, so what you can do, if you want to make this look more realistic, you can go to view and change your view style to realistic. Also, you can turn on your reflections. They started reflecting. And then under lights, let's go ahead change. We are in a serial appearance tab. Alright, so go ahead and change your lights to. Why is it not allowing me to change? Oh, I'm gonna find photo booth. I do photo booth or cool lights. Cool lights. One of them. And then enable ray tracing. Enable ray tracing. What it's gonna do is gonna render your design, and the longer you have going, the more realistic it's gonna look. It's gonna look more polished if you have it going for a long time. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was a good application of whip command. We're gonna see more. We're gonna see it again. Probably I'm gonna do one more until you get comfortable with it. All right. All right, so do not forget to add it in your portfolio. So once you get it done, go ahead and add it in your portfolio. Yeah, so we're making good progress. If you have any questions, like always, let me know. All right.